I'm Michelle from Nannies on Call, and today we're going to talk about social media. It's become a different time where families can learn a lot about you before you even walk through the door, and it's your job to make sure that they only see the best parts of you and the parts you want them to see. You are allowed to have a private life, and you should have a private life. So posting it all online for families to see is not the right way to do it. Whether you're looking for a job or you're currently in a job, both can lead to either not getting the job or being fired. So let's just go over a few tips on how to lock that down. So Facebook. Make sure it's locked down and it's private. The only people you want seeing your Facebook account are your friends. And so there's a way to, in the privacy settings, set it up so it's just your friends who can see what you're posting. So your pictures, your posts, any sharing, any of that, you want only your friends to see. Go into privacy settings. If you're not sure what other people can see who aren't friends with you, have one of your friends unfriend you, go to their account, look at your account, see what you see, and then you can see what's being posted about you. There's lots of things you can see on Facebook that nannies aren't so surprised when we tell them that we can see those things, and they're inappropriate. I'll try to slice into this video a few of those videos, or not videos, a few of those postings so you can see what we can see, and it's not good. Instagram. It's up to you. I know a lot of people put it private, and ideally, if you're looking for a job, it should probably be private at that time, at the bare minimum. It should be private when you're looking for a job. If not, make sure that your postings are clean. No drinking, no drug use, no half-naked pictures. We really have had families come back to us after doing an online search of their nanny, their potential nanny, and said, well, there's a half-naked picture of her, and that doesn't really represent the type of nanny we want. Again, keep your private life private. So do not either post those pictures or on Instagram make it completely private. And then also Google your name. So I don't know if you're on Twitter or other platforms. There's so many these days. I can't even tell you all of them. So make sure that you Google your name, see where you come up, see where maybe things from 10 years ago are coming up, because we've certainly had that before. A nanny like 10 or 15 years earlier had been part of some discussion board on drug use, and she had commented, and the family didn't hire her because of that. And that was 15 years ago, and she wasn't doing the same thing. So you need to keep your online presence clean. And the other thing, going back to Facebook, is remember, don't friend your families. So I know it becomes so easy to friend and you don't think of it as a big deal. But when you're out, let's just say, partying on Sunday night and you have to work Monday morning and they see videos of that online, they start to question whether your full focus is there on Monday morning, because they know what you did on the weekend. And so they start to worry. So we've seen this lots of times, and just don't friend your employer. If they ask to friend you, maybe just say, I'd like to keep it professional, and not friend them. If you have maybe some really uneventful life where you're like, well, Michelle, I don't party and I don't drink, and it's just pictures of me with my husband or me on the beach, then that's up to you. But just keep in mind that they can pick these things apart, and they do. So to just recap, lock down all your social media accounts, Google yourself, and make sure that nothing from your past is on there that you don't want seen, and you'll have a much easier time getting a position and staying in a position if you're not putting all of your social media postings out there. Again, I'll try and slice in some postings and see, so you can see what we've seen over the years. And I know it seems shocking, but we see it literally every week. So go do that right now. Check out yourself online and see what your online presence is like. And remember, the internet has a broad reach and a long memory. See you next week.